You are in the middle of a sentence. The person across from you lets out a loud sigh, rolls their eyes, and looks away. This is a calculated act of social condescension. They are using nonverbal cues to devalue your presence in the room. To reclaim your position, you can use a sequence called the walk-away effect. It is designed to neutralize disrespect and shift the power dynamic in an instant. Success depends on emotional detachment. If you beg for their attention, the technique fails. Step 1 is identifying the trigger the moment it occurs. Watch for specific nonverbal signals, the eye roll, the heavy sigh, or a dismissive glance away from you while you are speaking. Through these gestures, they are attempting to communicate that your words are beneath them. Noticing this dynamic immediately allows you to stop the cycle of disrespect before it affects your confidence. Once the trigger is identified, move to step 2, the mid-sentence hard stop. Faster, more urgent tone. The exact fraction of a second you see the contempt, stop talking. Do not finish the thought. If you are in the middle of a word, leave it hanging in the air. Resist the urge to explain why you have stopped. Do not comment on their behavior or ask for an apology. Halting your speech abruptly denies them the satisfaction of hearing you finish your point. Methodical tone. This leads to step 3, the 1-second freeze. The room should fall into sudden silence. Look at them with a blank, expressionless face. Do not show annoyance or confusion. Hold this stare for 1 second. This timing creates a specific moment of social tension that they did not expect. A common mistake is responding with anger or vocal demands for respect. Displaying anger shows them that their gesture successfully rattled you. Staying silent proves the opposite. Next is step 4, the physical disconnect. Calmly turn around and walk away. Your movements should be unhurried and steady. Walking away physically solidifies the detachment you established during the freeze. Now you enter step 5, the redirection. Remove the person from your focus by engaging with a new task or a different environment. You might check your phone, exit the room, or start a new conversation with someone else. Some people fail here by talking faster, trying to finish their sentence before the other person looks away again. Rushing your speech fails by showing you are competing for their time. Successful result is immediate. They are left standing alone in the awkward silence they created. Their toxic tactic has backfired. Instead of making you desperate for their approval, they have made themselves irrelevant to you. High-value social dynamics are built on the principle that respect is a prerequisite for engagement. When mature conversation is not provided, access to your time is denied. This is how you maintain control over your social reality.